Welcome back. As the nation pays tributes to Dr. Manmohan Singh, let's tell you about his life, which was full of special moments. And one such moment was the nuclear deal, which he termed as the best moment of his life.
I honestly believe that history will be kinder to me than the contemporary media or the politics, or for that matter, the opposition parties in parliament.
And well, Dr. Manmohan Singh had a very special place in his heart for Amritsar. He was 14 when his family migrated to Amritsar after the partition in 1947. Dr. Manmohan Singh completed his schooling in Amritsar and did his graduation in economics from the Hindu College. And during his tenure as a Prime Minister, he also flagged off the Punjab bus service from Amritsar to Nankana Sahib in March 2006, connecting two of the most revered shrines of the Sikhs. He always prioritized Amritsar when it came to development as well. The main elevated road project worth 250 crores on the Amritsar-Jalandhar also being launched when he was the Prime Minister. He also sanctioned 72 crores to complete another project around the Golden Temple as well. So he remained towards Amritsar, bringing in development in all forms.
मेरे डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह चाचा जी लगते थे और ऐसी महान शख्सियत तो शायद मैं कहता हूँ देश में डॉक्टर लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के बाद ये दूसरी शख्सियत रही होगी जो इतने ईमानदार रहे हैं, जो हमारे किसी फैमिली की मेंबर्स की आज तक उन्होंने कभी कोई सिफारिश तक नहीं की और शायद किसी की भी नहीं की, क्योंकि जब तक वो सीट पे रहे तब तक वो शायद अपने बच्चों तक की भी उन्होंने अपने बच्चों तक कोई भी गाड़ी में नहीं बिठाया जो गवर्नमेंट की गाड़ी तक होती थी। एक्चुअली वो बोलते बहुत कम थे यादें तो हम क्या बताएं, सुनते बहुत थे पर बोलते बहुत कम थे। तो जब भी कोई हमारी मीटिंग्स होती थी तो वो हंस के सिर्फ ये जरूर बोलते थे कि आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हो।
See, when I joined the Punjab University as a reader in Hoshiarpur, then there were a number of very good students there, and Manmohan Singh, Brajendra Goswami, and so on. And Manmohan was in economics, Goswami was in history. I was, of course, teaching mathematics, but I was young enough and they were young enough, so somehow we got together to know each other, and through TKT or otherwise. Manmohan was not in the TKT, but Manmohan was a very sort of one of the best students the Punjab University had. So somehow we got to know each other very well. Then Manmohan got his MA, did very well, and after that he was given a scholarship or something.
And well, the actor who essayed the role of Dr. Manmohan Singh in the movie Accidental Prime Minister has paid tributes to Dr. Singh. Here's what Anupam Kher had to say in his tribute.
मैंने डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह की जीवन के साथ लगभग 1.5 साल गुजारा है। उनको स्टडी करते हुए, उनके कैरेक्टर को, उनके मैनरिज्म्स को। एक एक्टर जब किसी किरदार को निभाता है तो उसके फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट को तो स्टडी करता ही है, लेकिन टू पोर्ट्रे ए कैरेक्टर ट्रूथफुली यू हैव टू गो इनसाइड द पर्सन। डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह वाज इनहेरेंटली ए गुड मैन, gentle, bright, brilliant, kind. And if you see Accidental Prime Minister now, you will discover that I could, to some extent, imbibe all those qualities.
And well, with that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.